welcome to Kaia's vegetable egg muffin cooking show. So I put egg, vegetables, bacon, and cheese and candy.
No candies in that. It's silly. All right, so you put it in a muffin container, and you put eggs, vegetables, bacon, and cheese. And then what do we do?
And then we cook it for how many?
We cook it for 25 minutes.
And we cook it for 25 minutes.
At what temperature?
At
What does the oven say right now? Right here. 3,100,000, yes. And what?
And 60.
Cook it for 25 minutes at 3,160,000.
Is that really it?
No, it's 350
350
degrees, because
degrees.
that's a measure of temperature, huh? Okay, and then you get to eat it up. Yum, yum, yum.
And then we get to eat it up. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Bye. Bye. Thank you for coming to Kaia's vegetable egg cooking show.